Hi Sonia.
Hello, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, Sonia. How are you?
Fine, ma'am. What about you, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm good, Sonia. Okay, this is Aruna from Quality Department, Sonia. I just want to take a feedback from your side before starting that. First of all, congrats for your placement, Sonia.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, all about your introduction, Sonia.
My name is Soniya, and I am from Kalaburgi district. I had completed my B in Civil from PDA College of Engineering, Kalaburgi, um, and I had completed CACM course under CMTI Institute. Now I am back for an company.
Okay, how did you get to know CMTI?
Um, I searched it in Google, and then I got to know from my cousin also about CMTI.
Okay. Okay, what was the new thing you learned in CMTI apart from your syllabus? What were the subjects you got through?
First of all, from our institute, we were not having the practical knowledge, and that is what mean I gained here. And there were many site visits. I saw the work, how the work is done, and there were classes related to understand the drawing. First is basic is how understanding the reading of drawings, and I learned about sequence. What is a sequence of construction? Learned about BOQ, QS. And many softwares like SketchUp, AutoCAD, and all. Yeah.
Okay. And how was your site visits and all?
It was good. We had went for many site visits, Niman site visit and Victoria Hospital. It was 9-bedded hospital. We had saw the construction, how they were doing the construction, and we had learned a lot more. And we had also went for interior design sites. So, like we had went to Design Cafe, Experience Center, and Homeland Experience Center. We had also went for Fenista and lot more site visits. It was a good experience.
Okay. Then what about the trainers? How was their approach during the courses and all? Whether they were clearing your doubts?
Yeah, they were clearing our doubts and they were very good to us. Like, if we ask any doubt, they were clearing it out. If we ask it number of times, then too they were they were understanding us and they were re-explaining us about all the things. If we have missed out any classes, then too they were recalling the syllabus again. And yeah, Netrajan sir had taught us about reading of drawing, sequence of construction. It was so good. He had explained it so well. And Srinivas sir has explained us about softwares like AutoCAD and SketchUp. He has taught us very well, and lot more. Ashok sir has also taught us about quantity survey. The classes were good, and it was a good exposure. Like we didn't learn it before when we were in our graduation. Well, we didn't learn this all things, so I am feeling good that I joined CMTI for CMTI Institute for CACM course, getting good at exposure.
Okay. Then what about CMTI app? How did that help you, Sonia?
Yeah, if we had missed out any classes, they give access to CMTI app. Through that, we can recall our classes which we had missed out, or if we have any, if we had skipped any. If because of getting late or skipped any topics, then we can recall it from CMT app. And also uh, for cracking interviews, I had referred it to CMT app. It was a good app. Yeah.
Okay. Then how was your interview process and all, Sonia? How did you crack the interview?
Interview. It was only one round interview. I was having access to CMT app. I had saw the sessions of how to crack the interview. From that, I got to know how to communicate and all. And yeah, that's it. CMT app
Oh,
has helped me a lot for this.
okay, okay. Then what about CMTS staffs? How was their coordination throughout your process?
Yeah, they were good. If we have any doubt, we can call them and we can ask for explanation if we have any doubt. or something. We can also like it wasn't good. Like Natarajan sir has helped us a lot. We were not knowing about all the construction things, so, but he had explained us well, and we can call them whenever they are free. They take time for students and explain us about all the things.
Okay. So, what do you want to say to your friends and juniors?
You know?
What do you want to say to your friends and juniors?
Yeah, I asked my friends and my juniors and seniors who are looking for the opportunities. I refer them to come and join CACM course under CMTI or interior courses. The CMTI provides good opportunities.
Okay. So, how was your experience in CMTI? Did you gain your experience?
Yeah, it was good. I had learned so much of things from here. I had gained so much of lot of knowledge, and it has also provided opportunity about exposure to many things which I was not aware of before. I would ask my friends to come and join if they are seeking for any opportunities or if they want to gain knowledge. If they can come and join.
Okay. Okay, Sonia, thanks for your feedback. And once again, congrats for your placement and all the
Thank,
best for your future, Sonia. Thank you so
thank you.
much.